I'm doing this thing on the 21st in Oakland. It's at the Joyce Gordon Gallery, and it's an exhibit by Michael Platt, and it's about slavery. But it leaves you with the thought of, is this 1720 or is this 2011? Because he did these like photographs and created these images, you know. So, you know, I'm gonna be reading, and Marilyn Reynolds, one of the lead singers from Okani Vawetu, she's gonna be singing. So it's just 21st of January, if you wanna check it out. This is one of the pieces. And it's like I am I'm a first person. So like I am, you know, the slave, okay? Okay. Oh, I feel, oh Lord, feel my time, long waiting. Hold my hand, whoa, yeah. Lead me on. Captured in the hiding place. Moving from darkness to light and back to darkness. Weeping each and every step of the way. The way of the cross, as he sings Amazing Grace. And his whip beaten with his hands alone. Salvation unknown to him. Lost in the pain of knowing I am alive. Oh God, in hope of hope, for I hear the sea sloshing against the ship's hull. Ship ahoy, and ship approaching redemption. No matter what happens now, I know me soul belongs to the divine. The day is well spent. The night is approaching. Oh, now the night has been well spent. Now the day is at hand. Arise, arise, and let us go. Let us go. Let us go here. history and music, form and spill. On the back of cotton-born fugitives to run, fugitives to run the crop, made king by reason of inherited wealth. Wealth now where the ashes still atone, still alone for our ignorance. Alone for our ignorance, savagely beaten. Beaten for many days. Days of tarnished dreams. Dreams crushed. Crushed near the blues. The blues. Oh yeah, the blues. Of sloshing shoreline.